Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe and like. Also click on the notification button to enable you notify whenever we upload new video, and also check us out at Instagram, Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare, also Facebook as well, and TikTok, Austin Global Skincare. We have good reviews and good lesson in there you're gonna get from them. As a matter of fact, I want to make you understand that for those of us who could not really afford some solution from us, you can also achieve them anywhere you are. Okay, you can also afford them. That's why I went to look for this stretch mark oil that I've been using some time ago that was really out of stock. So now here is it again, anti-stretch mark. This is a stretch mark oil. Basically, some stretch mark they are being caused by stress, while some are caused by pregnancy. You know, when the hormone in your body system got changed somehow along the line due to maybe childbirth, or maybe stress or cream reaction. There's every tendency that it can amount to a lot of things, and stretch mark is part of them also. You know, maybe through excess of fat also, you can also get that also, the stretch mark. But how do we control it? That is it. How do we control that? Is the most important uh, reasonable solution that we should be thinking of. Not, oh, my stretch mark, oh, my stretch mark, my stretch mark, you're crying over everywhere. So I used to use this stretch mark oil way back, not until the company stopped producing it for a while. As you can see, very small but effective. Very small but effective. It's called anti-stretch mark. Are you getting it? And when it's called anti-stretch mark, something that is called anti-stretch mark, you should know that yes, it fight against stretch mark. Are you getting it? Yes, it do all its best now to see that the stretch mark is fade away. The stretch mark is not getting bigger than the way you met it before applying this. So what I know, this, you buy this and use it, you can mix it with your lotion. It's not acidic. You can mix it with your lotion, you know, and it will fade away. You can use it to mix like this. Now you can use like 1 spoon for your lotion. Use it to mix your lotion, whichever lotion you're using. Are you getting it? And it will fade away the stretch mark, not in a way that you are like, oh, something bleached the place. No, it will fade it away gradually, and before you know it, no more stretch mark, and even like giving a kind of immune in there. Are you getting? I guarantee you, once you mix this to your lotion, wherever stretch mark is coming out from, we have various of I think this is what they use to produce the crude Kinetic or something like that. Are you getting it? Even that Dubai crude Kinetic, I think this is what they use. Because if your skin is being prone to stretch mark due to your lotion, and you have this, trust me, anything will make this thing no cure your stretch mark. Now I say the person that they pursue for village, now I say touch and light, they pursue or light and touch. And joke apart, yeah. This thing, it works. They don't pay me any money. Now wait till I think when I started new, this is what I used to, premix my lotion and all that, and it make your body firm also. Are you getting it? It's an anti-stretch mark. So go for this. For those of us who due to pregnancy we open to stretch mark, this is what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. If you can't get that original crude Kinetic, this is what you need. This is what you need. So how do you get it? You can get it from us. We get different type of stretch mark, anti-stretch mark. So you can get anyone from us. You can get anyone from us. Whether na UK you do, Europe or Asia country, US, Canada, African country around us, so where you dey, we go send that to you. We'll ship to you through FedEx or DHL. Are you getting it? Or we can use cargo and any other thing we dey ship too. If you want us to train you also on how to produce all this, we'll teach you from the scratch. If you want to get advanced training, we'll teach you. You understand? It's not gra-gra. It's not gra-gra. Skincare business is not gra-gra. It's not bro and say a lot of things. And those of you who believe that because you're in abroad that you'll be insulting Nigerians that, oh, they don't know how to produce lotion, stop it. That is not fair. Stop it. You know where now you they ask them for Nigeria, they teach you. You understand it? Because you did London or you did US or you did, it doesn't give you the edge. Some of them in here, they are doing well, better than you. You understand? You know me say you go learn the same thing when you go learn, then I they learn here. I be you know say some of those schools they get they affiliated to they partnership with Nigerian schools here. So I don't know, cosmetician, anything where you be for there, anything where you be, they read and yeah. More than not they abuse people. Stop abusing. It's our time. YouTube will look into all this. Are you getting it? Stop abusing people. Don't come my comment section and drop such. Are you getting it? Then again, I want to let you to know for those of us who they do scamming work. Stop doing scamming. Stop. Now you are using someone's name to do scam. Are you getting it? You that is using a name that is not your company name, or you're using videos, content that are not yours to do scam. Stop it. For those of you doing scam work, you're using someone's name. You know, that Ogeshi Glow. Don't be surprised. Ogeshi Glow, using glow up with Ada's video. Ogeshi Glow, using glow up with Ada's video. You know, you think you're very far. You're not far. You're not far. You see, if you say you dey far, where we say they're not they see you, you're not far. Nah, they go bring you out. Anywhere you dey, they go bring you out. You see, so stop using glow up with Ada's video to claim say na your video. Are you getting it? To claim say you dey sell product, meanwhile you dey scam people. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. And whoever that fall victim to Ogeshi Glow, not can they go accuse glow up with Ada say na she you buy something from. No be she o. Are you getting it? Glow up with Ada is different. Ogeshi Glow is a scammer. So you see the two things. Ogeshi Glow is a scammer. Glow up with Ada is a legit business owner, which you all know her address. You can go check her out for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. And you know our office for Lagos here. So if you go buy anything from Ogeshi Glow, that is your own business. All right? So other than that, again, I think I still get one more savior for you guys, which is this Knuckle Remover. You see, 100%. Gradually, this SQ5, this QS5 will take off your knuckle. It's a knuckle remover. A knuckle remover. Excellent one. For those of us who will be suffering from, and funny enough, it's just a strong product when it be say you cannot see anywhere, but it works a lot because of what they do. And let's quickly check. I think we can see shea butter there, we can see arbutin there, we can see glutathione there, licorice there, then silicone oil is there, you know, a lot of things there, you know. So please, for you to go to get some, if you know you not trust those products, those products where you feel like you don't trust, you can get things like this. You know, they are good solution. QS5, let's go for it. They don't pay me, I just now with the answer they use you know, and how they use. And then again, I just want you to understand that if you want to get this complexion I get, this complexion was built, you know, when they say Rome wasn't built in a day, we agreed, but this one was built in a day. So if you want to get such complexion, yes, you can always count on me, you know. No be saying a story, you can always count on me. All you just need to do, call us via the number on your screen. And then again, I told you all, we do training as well. We do training. So if you want us to train you from, you know, from scratch, your lotion, they bother you, your lotion is not working, and you want us to train you, you can contact us, yeah, via WhatsApp. Now my number and I did it, so via WhatsApp. And also, if you know you can't do them but you want to be selling and all that, you can contact us. We can be producing for you and send to you wherever you are. That is it. It's not a game. Don't think skincare business is a game. It's a reality. Not damage people's skin in a game. No be game, on a reality. Now, what you produce for people, what you produce, now those people will get. If you produce failure, they will get failure. So in other than that, not to get failure, if you want to go the right school, one-on-one training or WhatsApp training, when I say WhatsApp training, is equivalent to one-on-one training through video call. We'll train your order. You know me say you go fly, come meet us now. All you need to just pay your school fees. That's all. Your training fees. That's all. All right. So we've come to the end of the review. I remain Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. You know, don't forget to check us on Instagram, the same name. Don't forget to check us on Facebook and TikTok and some other platform also. You know, we be giant, you know, giant of everywhere. You know, we did. So I appreciate you guys once more.